see behind me may be a beautiful opportunity, but for this homeowner, it is an eyesore. It's out in the middle of their yard. It's blocking their view to the beautiful river that surrounds this whole property. And so they are going to remove it. And what I'm here to tell you today is just because someone before you who owned your home built something or added something that possibly costs a lot of money to them, it doesn't necessarily mean that you should keep it in your home if it doesn't serve you. I have to talk so many clients into letting things go that they hate, that are out in their yard, that they feel bad about getting rid of because whoever built it before them spent a lot of money on it. We're talking about things like fire pits, fireplaces like you see here, full patios. Sometimes it's wood structures like lattice work or pergolas or things like that. These are something that when you purchased your home, it likely didn't add a cost to the home when you purchased it, but people feel so guilty about getting rid of them. And I want to release you of that guilt. If it's something that doesn't cost you necessarily a lot of money to remove, then there certainly shouldn't be any guilt associated with it. Something like this is going to cost a bit of money to remove because it is such a large structure and it is heavy, but it's awkwardly placed. It doesn't make sense in the current lifestyle that the client is living in now, and so it's just time to let it go. So let me be your permission today to let go of that thing in your yard or in your home that someone previous to you built or installed that is no longer serving you.